Mike and Sully Day. Festival of the Arts. Festival of the Arts. Arts. The Arts Festival. Wanna go get passports? It's called Dusk Till Dawn.
Dusk Till Dawn. We got Figment and Valentine's Day.
Yay! Look at that. Figment and Valentine's Day.
And then show what the lady gave us. She was handing us a receipt and then something on top. I was like, what is that? She gave us Valentine's.
Aww.
Christina.
That's cute.
I was like, oh, thank you.
Cool.
So cute.
We're gonna have a little snack.
Yes.
All right.
No way. What? I got Jasmine.
She got Jasmine. That's her favorite.
That's how it's supposed to be.
It's magical.
It's the dance of magic.
What did Anna get?
I got Sheriff Woody.
Woo! Sheriff Woody.
All right. In a Buzz Lightyear. Oh, a Buzz Lightyear tattoo. No, it's a sticker.
Cool.
Where's just a drink that I wanted though?
I know.
Everybody videoing? We're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, she almost dropped it.
Whoa, 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 it's dripping, it's dripping. It's dripping off the side. Look at it.
She missed it a little bit.
Oh, cool. Cool. That was awesome.
Cool.
That's why the napkins are you. You know what it tastes like?
What?
All the lemonades that I've been drinking. It's hard. They are making them in there though. It's not like a...
I actually videoed the lady making one of those purple.
Oh, awesome. Maybe it's...
Big Mike.
Oh, no.
You're gonna lose Figment.
He lost some of his color.
Look at that. It's Valentine. That's cool. Hey. Alright, we're gonna eat these up soon tonight.
That chocolate waffle is good. Lots of sprinkles on the outside.
Lots of sprinkles.
The chocolate waffle is the bomb now.
Sprinkles going everywhere.
You don't like it? The chocolate waffle is really good. Try the chocolate. I like the chocolate better. The waffle is really nice and fresh. I broke the heart.
You broke my heart. You broke my heart, Aubrey.
You have to eat it or it's gonna have up.
Alright, now we're gonna talk about the waffles.
So, Figment waffle is great. I will say the chocolate edged it out just a little bit more.
No, I'd say so. Look how much left of the chocolate.
Yeah. But super good. They're both of them are really good. Yeah. But that little bit of dark chocolate. That's a lot of flavor. Flavor goods.
I think Aubrey liked her drink the best.
Yeah, I don't like the waffles.
She don't like the waffles. She's not a waffle girl. She likes the
I'm trying not to eat too much because we did get a Guardians callback time. So we're only eating just a little bit. We're not going to go full Festival of the Arts yet.
Well, we'll see. We might.
We might. Yeah, Connections Eatery now. The cafe is on the other side.
Yeah, so the cafe is loaded. The line is loaded. You come over here to the eatery, there's no line. Walk up, order, get your food.
Yeah, but I think it's just because that's a Starbucks, so they're always going to have long lines. So
yeah.
that's what I think anyway. Sweet cream cold brew.
Come around to the backside and you can get
plenty of tables.
Plenty of tables. There's food.
Quiet.
Drinks, whatever you want. So we got a grilled chicken bao bun. And some french fries, but always hungry, and the waffle didn't do it for her. Talk about it, Anna.
So at all 4 parks, they have a zoom in picture thing where it's like really zoomed out and it zooms in on you. Well, we wanted to do the one at Epcot, and he posed us, told us where to look, and kind of walked off. And I heard him talking, and I thought he was talking to other people and not us. So he was definitely taking the picture. But I realized too late, and both of their eyes are closed. So the only person looking at the camera is Dad.
The only one that pays attention to the instructions. I'm the only person that pays attention to instructions.
Oh my God.
45-minute wait.
We'll test track. Which is pretty good for test track, I would say.
11:26 right now.
We're doing stopwatch, so we don't have to do math.
Whoa.
Welcome in, everyone. Please make sure you stay on the color that I assigned you.
Look at that power.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Good.
What's the engine?
Give it some more power.
Hybrid. Let's do gas.
Yes. Supercharged.
Okay.
Oh, plasma burner. Woo! Yeah.
What we want?
Paint it. Oh, what do you think?
Okay.
Okay.
Graphics.
And graphics. Oh yeah.
Sparkles. Bam.
Bam. This is your vehicle.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
She's gorgeous. Look at that thing they're building.
It was a 45-minute wait when we got in here, and it was 45 minutes until we got to the designing stage. So now we're in the last leg of the wait.
Last leg of the wait.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Calculating total enviro impact.
Test track.
Just had a great ride on test track.
Good ride.
It was just the four of us, and then Aubrey and Mom's car kept winning everything, but me and Dad, we had the power. We got the power category.
We won the power.
And then they beat us out overall by 8 points.
Won it, Club Cool. Club Cool. She's looking at the merch. Looking at the Coca-Cola stuff.
This is Russian cucumber spray. That's pretty good. It's just regular spray with a hint of cucumber. Okay, just a hint.
No, I don't like that.
You don't like the cucumber? I got it. All right, this is a sour plum soda from China.
Sour plum.
That tastes like barbecue sauce. Ooh, it does.
You drinking
Tastes like
barbecue?
carbonated barbecue sauce.
Carbonated barbecue sauce.
That is barbecue drink.
Yeah, that's.
No, here's that would be really you already have it together.
Yeah, that'd be good to go on a brisket.
A brisket. Yeah. All right, this is apple lychee Minute Maid juice from Korea. Very good. I like apple. I like lychee. That's very
Oh, you like that one, huh?
Save the best for last.
Oh yeah. That one's okay. It's like a nice little juice. Yeah.
I love juice.
All right. Cheers to the Beverly.
Cheers to the Beverly. It's your favorite one.
I don't know why we let that one be. It's so funny because it's it starts out, you're like, oh, it's not that bad anymore. Oh gosh. And it gets so bad so fast.
Gotta get Dad's reaction to that.
I know, right? It's you're like, oh, it didn't get bad. It's not that bad.
I gotta have something different. Get something that cleans that out.
Yeah, whatever the best one was. Minute Maid, probably. Because it just hangs I know.
That nasty after.
It starts. You start out and you're like, oh, I don't remember. It's not as bad as
Not
I
bad.
remember, and then it just grows into nasty.
And it just stays there too.
It doesn't.
And it just stays. All right.
All right, we did it.
We did the Coke challenge. What we got?
Not enough sweet and it's not enough cream.
Aubrey got the Valentine's Day Joffrey's drink, the cold brew version.
Yeah, because there's 3 different kinds you can get. You can get it hot or ice with the regular, or you can get the cold brew mocha. And the cold brew mocha is what they said.
Mama, look at Mama's face.
It's interesting.
Dad's actually probably gonna like this because it doesn't have a lot of cream or sugar in
It
it.
has a weird taste, but it's not like, you know, the coffee is bitter. It's like something else is bitter. Like what the
I think it's pretty good.
The wonders of Xandar. From our world to yours. Welcome to Xandar.
This is basically like another pavilion for the different countries, but for a different planet.
For a planet. That's what they need to do next.
This gives me extensive knowledge, yet I am constantly learning, and I am now learning about you and your planet, Terra. On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Not for the help we received from the Guardians of the Galaxy, I was fortunate to secure this exclusive.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans.
Alright, what do y'all think?
So first ride through, we got Everyone Wants to Rule the World. This ride through, we got One Way or Another, and I think that one was better.
I like that one.
That one was really fun.
I loved it. Look at that. Those are the resorts and stuff. It's like boardwalk. That's cool looking. Oh, Lady in the Tramp table. Whoa. There's Snow White's table. Wow.
I like it.
The whole. I like that one. Look at this table.
I keep forgetting it's the counter. Here you go. I enjoy when you
Prince
take
John.
Thank you.
We got Little Mermaid table. Fantasmic Mickey table. Artwork's beautiful. Really neat. Oh, Beauty and the Beast.
Wow.
That's some cool statues. You got all the. Oh, they got all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7 doors of Snow White. Wow. Beautiful. So here we are. Table full of stuff here. So where did y'all go?
We went to Modern, and we got the angry crab, which is a soft shell crab. We got the scallops. It's like peanut butter squash, whatever. And then this is the tropics, which is like guava cake and mango mousse or something.
Like a beef scrambled.
Yeah.
And then
And Dad and Mom went to the Figment Imagination Station, got the rainbow cake, the pop art, and the Figment grape smoothie.
Yep.
And then Dad also got Figment.
We got a Figment popcorn.
Is this popcorn in there, or just the
Yep.
bucket?
No, there's. You gotta push down on here.
Oh. Ah!
He's complicated.
Too much fits in there.
Yeah, there's a lot. And then we got the cider flight. And we got the beer flight. Rainbow. Going for the angry crab.
Angry crab, really salty.
Mama's got the Popped Art. Popped Art.
It's good.
And we got 3 stamps so far. Aubrey's going for the grape slushy smoothie thing.
So the big tart is not as good as the Woody's Lunchbox.
I love the little things on top. They're Skittles that are
The
been put.
Skittles.
They're Skittles. What is it?
Freeze-dried Skittles?
Freeze-dried.
It tastes like grape slushy.
It tastes like a grape Skittle.
That look on your face was like it was nasty.
Well, at first it was.
Mama don't like that.
You got some water?
The butternut squash puree is good. The scallop isn't as crispy as I would like it to be. It's just,
Crispy.
yeah, like, you know, pan-seared is kind of crispy on the outside.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's just more chewy than crispy.
Aubrey went straight for the dessert over there.
What is that? Guava cake. It's like, it's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
These crab legs. With a piece of that onion and slaw. It's good.
Kettle cake. She tasted the rainbow all in one bite. Good cake.
That's really good cake.
Not a scallop fan. And those didn't change my mind.
Interesting. Not the worst.
Oh, be
Sorry.
careful. They're full. Nope.
That's the same drink from, or close to, from Pandora. They're like green beer.
Last beer. She said she would do the last one.
I need some water. Not like fruit flavor. I think it's just vanilla.
Very good, very good.
Likes the cider. First one anyway.
It's like orange juice.
I like the cake.
Orange juice.
The cake is sweet.
Ciders are all good.
Ciders are all good. So if you don't know this how Elmore do, they just load the table down with stuff to try. There's so much. Everybody feeling better now? Feeling good? Alright. So what are we thinking? 2 down.
A few things down. Or I guess booths, you mean?
Yeah, 2 places.
2 places down. The modern angry crab was great. The scallops were good. Could have been cooked a little more to where it had a crispy outside. But the butternut squash puree, awesome. Now the tropics thing was just it was different. It was interesting to taste, but I wouldn't get it again. And then at Figment, everything is sweet. Even the ciders and the beer, no, but I kind of like this the most, probably. The cake was okay. It's just like vanilla cake.
Pop-Tart?
The Pop-Tart is good, though.
The Pop-Tart. What about the drink, Anna? Did you enjoy that drink?
The flight, the beer flight.
No, I'm talking about the smoothie.
No, that grape smoothie tastes like medicine.
Anna says no on the beer flight. No
I
on the
really
smoothie.
had like, you know,
only the cider.
optimistic about it, but it was not good.
Only the cider. Let's head
Done
to
here,
Mexico.
but let's say bye to Figment.
Bye, Figment. Bye, Figment. Time to go to Mexico. It's
Not bubbles.
It's not enough that the kids do bubbles. They have their own bubble machine here. Bubbles everywhere. All right, so what do we got here, Anna?
This is the carne asada. I got us a knife to cut that up.
Carne asada.
This is the
Huarache.
something or other. And then this is the marshmallow bonbon margarita. I actually want to take a sip of this first. That is delicious. It's tart and you almost get like a campfire-esque taste, but that's really good.
Really good? She says no. No.
Mama's double drinking.
Mama got a double sip.
Kind of got a smoky taste after towards the back.
Smoky taste.
All right, carne asada with sweet potato puree. That's tender. It's very good. Take a bite of it like this.
There you go. That's why you're supposed to eat it.
I wanted one.
Good. You mostly get the beans, but these caramelized onions and this cheese on top. Really good. That's really good. Really, really good.
10 out of 10 would have again.
Ooh, I already gave it 10 out of 10.
The carne asada?
10.
Whoa.
And that's pretty tender for something that you get at a food booth.
Could have 5.
5 out of 10? Yeah. Okay.
So we got 10 out of
So
10
make sure
and
we're
5
the
out of
same
10.
level of grading, like 5 out of 5.
So 5 out of 5. That one's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
This carne asada is so good. And that sweet potato puree is very sweet and flavorful. Complements the meat very well.
Good. I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's good though.
I like it. I would give it like towards the upper part of the 10. That
It's good. It's just maybe not worth the price.
No, that's really good.
Oh, Daddy likes that one.
No, I like that one.
All right.
I know you guys got take a bite of it.
Take a sip of that drink. That drink.
Yeah, that's good.
Right?
Yeah. That wins. The drink wins.
All right, Mexico. Nicely done.
Nicely done, Mexico.
We make it sure Wanda has a good day. If she has a bad day, everyone has.
You think you could use your chaos magic to like make Donald the boss? Maybe. I could.
Think about it a little bit. See, I had to make sure it was on your page. Very good. Thank you, Donald.
Thank you.
So good to see you.
Well, the restaurant's
So we got pictures with Anna and Elsa, and their signatures here. And once we wrapped up in Norway, we actually got another Figment thing. And then we headed to China, got the other Figment for that one. Of course, it's all the way in the back. And then, of course, and then what do we have to eat?
We have the Jono Toast chicken, shumai, which is this one.
Shumai.
Char siu.
Char siu pork bun.
Yum.
And then we got the sea butterfly to drink.
Ooh.
And she's very pretty.
She's very pretty.
All right, yeah, good.
She's
Yeah.
lovely.
I'm gonna cut these other two.
Mama's cutting them.
Very lavender.
Yeah, that's what I did. I was like, no. There we go.
Darby don't like it.
It's not boba.
That is boba. And lychees.
It's lychee. Mom definitely doesn't like it.
This is good. It's spicy. Warning.
Darby's going
That
for
cucumber does a good job at cooling it down though. Is it worth $10.75? I don't think so.
Is it spicy? No? Anna said it was. Aubrey says it's not. It's like a barbecue.
Barbecue sandwich. Barbecue is tasty. The meat's a tad dry. And the bun is dry.
But the barbecue sauce is full.
The barbecue sauce helps.
Pretty tasty.
But messy.
Give it a thumbs up or thumbs medium or thumb up, and thumb up.
Woo! This one. It's all the EPCOT pavilions.
Oh, that's cool.
That is awesome. Oh, Mom said bag it up.
Bagging it.
Yeah.
Prints are $49.95. Alright, y'all can leave me now. I'm good.
You're in Germany.
So that's the wild boar and duck.
Yes, the coffee.
And this is the British short rib.
With broccolini.
Broccolini, and looks like some kind of taters too.
Taters. It's got taters, guys.
Potatoes and tomatoes.
I'll try me a little bite of this.
And Aubrey's still working on her drink from China.
It's growing on me. It actually tastes really good.
Yeah, the more I drink of the alcohol, the better it tastes. It's crazy how that works.
It's crazy how that works.
Can't get this darn bean to stay on. Very meaty, very hearty. I feel like football players need to eat this before a game.
Wild boar?
Yeah, I feel like it's making me stronger.
Already?
It's making me more manly. Very interesting. This is so good. Well, give me some.
Swap.
I don't know what type of potatoes these are, but they don't taste like regular mashed potatoes. I wonder if it's polenta. No, it's not polenta. Wow. I just used my fork and pulled it off. The potatoes are sweet. Yeah, I don't like it like that. Let me see.
All right.
Those are parsnips.
Parsnip.
Oh! Parsnip puree, broccolini. It ain't taters.
It ain't taters. It's parsnip. It's a little parsnip.
They're both very hearty. Cassoulet, duck confit, ham hock, wild boar sausage.
All right. Mom, you going to eat into it before the girls get back? Because it's going to melt that
It's
chocolate.
gonna melt. Yeah.
All right, so we got this chocolate Black Forest cake. So basically we got all the food
In Germany.
in Germany in their little booth.
It's like cream, mousse, cherries, cake.
Look at that. Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is decadent.
That's what? Decadent.
Decadent. So rich and creamy, chocolatey.
We're gonna do Disney Springs, so we don't.
Oh, look at that.
Like 10 o'clock.
See that cherry filling?
Back here tomorrow, something like that.
There we go. I got it now. Cherry filling, mousse,
This is so good.
and
This take
a chocolate feather on top.
on a Black Forest cake is beautiful.
To see what I got.
What'd you get? What'd you get? A pretzel.
And it says Oktoberfest.
Oh, it's a little bag.
Yes.
Oh.
And not only that,
Did you find your other stuff you were looking for?
we got Anna a penny book.
A what? A penny book?
The press
We
pennies.
were like right at the verge of the discount thing, and she was like, "Are you sure there's nothing else you want?" And
Oh.
Aubrey grabbed that.
Okay.
Look, it's got Ray.
Well, we have some pennies that need to be put up somewhere.
Yeah, we do. We have a bag full of pennies. But look at this. This is a pretzel bread pudding
Pretzel bread pudding.
covered with sauce.
With sauce.
This one is a great deal. It's only $4.49 compared to some of the other snacks
And
around.
y'all got a bratwurst.
Yes. From Mother.
Oh, yeah. I don't know how y'all thought y'all were going to come here and not get a bratwurst.
Well, we got it, and we got these chips. It's flavorful. If you want to trade pins, always look for the Kid Cot. That's where the pins are.
We're going for this pretzel pudding. Pretzel bread pudding.
It's pretty tasty. Oh, it's salty. There's salt. Mama's face lit up for that.
I should get you out of the sun. So.
That's alright.
Alright, Aubrey, you going to try it?
It's okay.
It's just okay.
After having that banana coconut bread pudding, that banana cabana, it doesn't quite hit that mark. But it's good. It's good. And it's a good deal.
I got stuff to finish up now. I got beer to drink. Where are we going to now?
The train.
Train. There they are.
Festival of the Arts flags.
We got one on that side, or three on that side, three on that side. It's so cool. It changes out every time.
I love that. It's a small thing.
Yeah. Hey! Wave at them. Hey! That's the nice train. Got passengers in it too.
Beer service.
That's how Mama does it in Epcot. Riding,
Arrest this woman. She's drinking and driving.
drinking and driving. Ravioli. The camera has to eat first.
Thank you.
The
See how she
ravioli.
treats us when we don't.
Well, that's because y'all don't let the camera eat. It's hungry.
Y'all don't let 1 second pass before you go for it.
The ravioli.
I heard this tastes like dirt, so let's see if it does.
Then why would we get it if it tastes like
Because
dirt?
I want to taste it. She wants to see
I would
what
much
dirt
rather-
tastes like. She don't remember.
I'd have much rather got the pretty thing.
I like that. It was good. Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
No dirt?
I guess it's people that don't like mushrooms, because it's full of mushrooms, but
What mushrooms are
it's
dirty?
so good. I like mushrooms, so. Oh, I like it. Yeah.
All right.
I love mushrooms.
So that's 3 out of 3.
I like it.
Jumping.
There's a big line for that photo pass. Ooh, that one has Kiana and Lod.
Oh! It's got a taco in there too. Oh, he's doing that.
Yes, that is the spicy soup.
Spicy soup.
And this is the empanada that goes on the little colorful trail so you can stamp your passport.
All right.
I'm gonna go for it.
Looks good. Looks like a negative meat pie.
Yeah. The outside's a little crispy.
All right.
Tasty though.
It's spicy too. I had to sip on a little bit. It started to spill on me.
He started coughing. He's like, ugh.
Yeah, it was. Look at all the spices in there.
It's avocado, chicken, big old corn, potatoes. There we go. It's spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it's just like spices, broth, and bits of stuff. I don't think you're gonna be able to even smell that, Aubrey. It's
Aubrey, you want to try the empanada?
pretty intense.
Sure.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good?
I like that aioli on the top.
Mm-hmm. Aubrey, you gonna try the spice?
Yeah, I'll try it.
You gonna try it?
Good luck.
Good luck, Miss. Can't handle the spice.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Woo! Too spicy.
Woo!
All right.
Sandy, I need water.
I need water.
All right, I think we're gonna snack on this and then head over to our dinner.
Dinner.
At Rose and Crown.
Rose and Crown.
And fireworks.
What y'all got?
Okay, so I got in line at the Artesian ice cream place in France, and we got the seasonal macaroon, which is raspberry vanilla, I believe, and then I got the coconut white chocolate.
That's very coconut.
Looks like you almost broke your teeth on that thing.
It's cold.
This is a really good ice cream.
Curb check. Jump it, mama. Jump it. Oh, there it is. There's Robin Hood and Little John. Hey. King, Queen, Prince, Princess. And the Royal Jesters.
They look like
and
they all
little
have
trumpet.
secrets.
Oh, look at these. What is this?
This is something special, I'm sure.
That's a golf ball washer, Goofy.
Oh.
Put your ball in there and it washes it. That's from the Lynx over there. I forgot what theirs is called.
Masters.
No, the Masters is. Oh, it's starting to move.
It's because I put my band up there.
Oh, maybe.
No.
There's the Rose and Crown. We shall be there in a minute.
Alright, ready?
Do a little dance? Yeah.
Alright, we checked in for our Rose and Crown fireworks package. We actually got a spot kind of on the left side of the porch. They're gonna take down the umbrellas and we'll get to see the porch a little better. But until then, what comes with your package is an appetizer, an entree, and dessert. You're fine. You're going.
And there she is. We've been waiting.
came over at the right time.
The right time, yeah.
You basically get the whole hog. So you get an appetizer, an entree, a dessert, and then soft drinks, and then all the drinks on the back. They're all included. You don't just have to stick to one. So if you want to try things, let me know. We do also have a open bar. So if there's a drink that's not on there, you let me know. We can sort that out for you. Alright.
Yes. I've had it before.
Fireworks dining package. Appetizers, you can pick Scotch egg or salad. And for entrees, you have fish and chips, shepherd's pie, fingers and mash, and then some impossible hot pot. They just turn the red lights on.
Yes.
They turn some heat on. So for dessert, you can get sticky toffee pudding or a plant-based vanilla gelato. Of course, you can get all the beer you want. Thank you. Salad.
Looks amazing.
Got the salad, Scotch egg, salad, Scotch egg.
That's sticky.
What do you got to drink?
I got the snake bite, but blackened, which I forgot what she said.
The black currant.
Black currant.
And then Mama got the
Cider. The Strongbow cider.
And Aubrey got the shandy.
Which I've had Strongbow cider.
And then I got the Golden Fox. Is it good? Alright, wait for Aubrey now.
Yes, it is.
You have a red glow about y'all with this heater on. Good? Alright, that's good.
I'm glad that they don't take allergies.
Fingers and mash.
Fingers and mash.
Fish and chips. Look how many fish you get.
She got 4.
But you got a huge one. Yeah, but I got 2 smaller pieces.
And I got the shepherd's pie. Alright, y'all get into it. Look, Mama's putting all that malt vinegar on, and it's got her fingers and mashed corn.
What? This? The tartar sauce?
Yeah. It's a little dilly. Dilly dilly. Alright, we're gonna eat all this.
See, this is one of my pieces of fish over. You can't really tell that.
And then we'll get back to you later.
I do like it. I'm sorry.
Stop sober tonight.
He's had enough to drink. He's just having water now.
We just finished the fireworks. Harmonious. It's about to be going away. It was amazing. What did you think?
Very freaking cool from underneath here.
Yeah. Oh, he's ready for dessert. Sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee pudding. What do you think of the fireworks?
Oh, it was great.
I loved it.
I thought it was different from, I didn't remember it, I guess, the same way, because I thought this one was more amazing than the last time I saw it.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
So now we're eating dessert.
Fireworks, now dessert. All good. You like this? What is that called? Sticky pudding?
Sticky toffee.
This is what the traffic looks like after getting out of Rosa Crown Fireworks Eatery.
Yes.
Look at this.
Look at this. And this wasn't even like intentional. This was like how long it took for us after eating our meal drinking and finishing our desserts and having a chat with our fantastic waitress M and other individual Daniel, who they are a great pair.
Yep.
They were great, and so now we're walking out.
This is almost like walking out of Hollywood.
Yeah.
After staying for Olga's at 9:30.
Right.
It's nice.
Lovely.
But I did love M, and I love Daniel.
Daniel,
They were
and
so sweet.
Love them. Look, Spaceship Earth. Earlier they had it lit up. It was like red and white. It was like Valentine's almost. Are we getting Moana? Are we getting Moana? Bus ride back. Going back. Mama's asleep.
Alright, and that's gonna end our Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day at Epcot. Finished.
Yes.
Done.
It's over. It was very magical.
Yes. We finished with the Rose and Crown fireworks and dinner.
Yes, that was super fun and definitely an interesting way to see the fireworks and have a great meal.
Yep. And great service.
And great service.
Yep.
They
Great
were
service.
awesome.
It was awesome. So, anyway.
Another adventure awaits us, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. If you like us in general, follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Elmore Family Adventures.
And send us some comments.
Yeah.
And we'll see y'all later.